So I'd still be trading this one. It's up 37% year to date. I don't think it's a zero-sum game. I don't think it's either Netflix or Disney. I think that it's Netflix first, then it's Disney, and they're going to make it tougher for anyone else to enter that streaming war, that streaming arena. But I still think you trade this, especially if the market continues to go higher, which I do believe is so.
Yeah, I think you trade this one. We had some good news this week in terms of new orders coming out of the UK, et cetera, et cetera. This is a company that, to me, first of all, I think it's cyclical minus, and I think it's industrial plus. What I mean by that is, yes, you could say this is the ultimate stock that could fall victim to slower economic growth around the world. This has been a story that's really been all about Boeing itself. We're not removing the headline risk. We're not removing the tragedies that happen. But this is a company that, in terms of execution and all other parts of their game, is extraordinary. This was an important week. It was important technically. It was important for their core business. And I don't think, based upon the order cycle and the demand there for one of only two global players that do what they do, that this is a stock that should be falling victim to a trade war in the short run.
Yeah, you know, it's interesting, and I'm gonna get jarred on this one and say fade it. I actually started shaking before.
You look scared.
Do I look scared? Well, you should be with Oracle because, you know, the stock didn't really trade all that well post-earnings. It's got to, you know, things that make you go hum. Remember that song, BK? I think that was P. Diddy, and he said things that make you hum. Who was it? Well, it was somebody, and he said that exactly. And then, but this made me go hum today. I thought it was CC Music Factory, exactly. I thought the earnings were good. I thought, given valuation, it should have traded higher, and it didn't today. That concerns me, so I say fade it without the jar.
Yeah, for me, here comes the jar. I am going to fade this one. So I'm still playing oil as this is a bear market rally. What's gone on here? We've had a bit of a lift from some geopolitical tension. I don't think there's really a reason for either side in this conflict in the Middle East to go to anything further. There is the chance we have like a tactical miscalculation. But for me, you fade the ExxonMobil because I think oil goes lower.